$100,000. Working for you in high definition, this is Channel 4 News.
Welcome to Channel 4 News at 5 o'clock. I'm Alan Frio. We're on late because of the Stanley Cup playoffs, and we thank you for joining us. Severe weather is again a big concern tonight. We have a tornado warning right now, plus the flooding is still on many minds tonight. We have 2 schools closing due to all of this rainy weather we've been experiencing. Hickman and Perry counties both say schools will be closed tomorrow on Monday. Both systems say they are very concerned about roads like this one and high water. Now, here's Nancy Van Camp right now with the latest on that tornado warning, which is about to expire, Nance.
In fact, it's expiring right at this moment, even as we speak. The good news that in Crossville is that we've heard no reports of any damage at this point, and we certainly hope that continues to be the case. This is showing some signs of weakening up here to the north of Crossville, but I still want to put a storm track on it for you just in case it isn't quite done trying to be a tornado. It's moving to the northeast at 35 miles per hour, so as it begins moving past Crossville here, areas, communities that are next in its path are Henry Ford, Genesis, Halfway, Turner Ford, Potter, Hall Ford, Norris Ford, and Frankfort. Once again, this was a tornado warning. It has just expired. There's always the possibility that that will get extended. At this point, we're not anticipating that. One of our main concerns about tonight is the flood watch that is still in effect. I want to show you who is no longer in the flood watch. Nashville and northward, this area right here, not in the flood watch. We're expecting here less than 1 inch of rain. But down here, we're expecting 2 to 4 inches of rain. And that, unfortunately, will overlap with the area that has received the greatest amount of rain and is still currently getting flooding, especially in this swath along the Duck River in the Columbia, Centerville, Hohenwald, Murray County, Marshall County, Shelbyville area. We'll have more details on all of this coming up in Pinpoint Weather. Alan?
Okay, thank you, Nancy. Another flu case has been diagnosed here in Tennessee. This case is among more than 226 confirmed cases of swine flu nationwide, according to the Centers for Disease Control. Let's check in right now with Channel 4's Josh Devine with what we know right now about this new Tennessee case. Josh.
Well, Alan, we've been talking a lot about probable cases, but today we have learned the state has confirmed a case of H1N1, and it is a Williamson County resident. It seems to fit the description of the state's first probable case, a student at Harding Academy in Davison County, but the state won't confirm that. And even though it is now a confirmed case, today's news doesn't necessarily change the message from health experts. They warned us, and sure enough, Tennessee joined 29 other states today in its first confirmed case of H1N1. As of today, the state health department tested 226 specimens